demand decreases. Decrease means shift to the left. Increase means shift to the right. Understand? So Gustavo, you are following that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now answer this question. Let me read that. Suppose you like to make from scratch pies filled with banana cream and vanilla pudding. You notice that the price of banana has increased. How would this price increase affect your demand for vanilla pudding? So remember, vanilla pudding, in vanilla pudding you will be using, okay, yeah, vanilla pudding, it's okay. Question is fine. You're making pies, and pies include two ingredients, banana cream and vanilla pudding. Price of banana rises, so what should be the effect on vanilla pudding?
It would be increased.
Increase. Paranan and PD, think about that. What you are making? Vanilla pudding, banana cream, or pies? You are making pies, right? So now making pies would be more costlier for you or more or less costlier for you? Paranan.
Less cost, I think.
How?
Wait, let me read the question again. I don't quite understand the question. I think it's not it is unaffected. Numbers is C. The answer is C.
Let's first see the answer, and then I would like to explain it. Answer is A, it would decrease. Now, how decrease? Let's talk about this. Paranan, be very attentive, right? Let's talk about the answer here. So we are making pies. Consist of banana cream and vanilla pudding, right? So price of banana increased. So what will happen? If price of banana increase, banana cream will be costlier or cheaper? Paranan.
It will be cheaper.
Price of banana increase. So if you want to make banana cream would be more costlier.
Oh, more costlier. But
Right.
why the previous is the decreasing? It is demand or something?
Wait a second. Let's read the question again. Suppose you like to make from scratch pies filled with banana cream and vanilla pudding. You notice that the price of banana has increased, right? So when price of banana increased, it means for those who are, or if you are making banana cream or those producers who are making banana creams, it is more costlier for them to make banana cream, so they will increase the price, right?
Yes, I understand.
Are you making banana creams or are you making pies?
Making pies.
Right? So
yes.
Pies are complement or it's substitute. For pies, banana cream is complement, right? Pies cannot be completed with vanilla pudding and banana cream, right? So it is more costlier for you to use banana cream, so then the price of the pies will go up. When price of the pies will go up, what will happen? The quantity demanded for the pies will go down, right? But the question is, what will happen to the demand for vanilla pudding? Would you, as a producer of pies, would you make more pies or less pies? Because people will not buy many pies because price is going increased and quantity demanded of pies will go down. So you will need less pudding. Understand? So you demand pudding less. Why? Because in future, because it is very costlier for me to produce pies because banana cream has increased in value. So I would be also increasing the price of pies. If I increase the price of pie, then people start consuming less pies from me. So I need to make less. If I make more, then that would be, expired or wastage, or I need to go more, selling at discount or at loss. So you will produce less pies. Producing less pies means you are using less vanilla pudding. Understand, Karangan?
Okay, so let me wrap this up with my own understanding.
Mm-hmm.
So the banana is increasing, I mean the price. So the banana cream is also increasing regard with the price. And the question asked me about the vanilla pudding, about the demand, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think the demand will be decreased because there's a competition between banana cream and vanilla pudding, isn't it?
No. Not competition. Because vanilla cream, vanilla pudding and banana cream, they are complement of pies. And what do we mean by complement? If price of A rises, is causing demand for B to decrease, right? Similarly, if the price of banana cream rises, quantity of pies decreases. These are complement. Similarly, with the vanilla pudding, because quantity of pies decreased, sorry. If the price of pies increase, why? Because it's more costly, because demand, we need to make sure the law of demand. If quantity of pies decrease, it means its price must have increased, right? If the price of, I think I should be more clear all drawings and then do it again. So here, so first, if the price of banana increase, it will happen, if it will increase the price of banana. Come on, I just lost. You seeing the blackboard, the whiteboard? Okay, here. So if price of banana increase, it will be increasing the price of banana. Sorry about my writing. This is banana cream. Okay, banana cream, right? So what is complement?
If the price of the
Banana cream increase, what happened to the complement, which is pies? Demand decrease, right? Now the other ingredient, we have two ingredients, banana cream and vanilla pudding. So if pies quantity decrease, law of demand says that decrease, law of demand says that pie prices, the pie's price must have gone up. When pies price gone up, when pies price gone up, and pies and vanilla pudding are also complement. So what is the vanilla pudding, VP, quantity go down, right? So in our earlier definition of complement, we just talk about only one ingredient, milk and milk tea, right? The subway and, software and computer, right? But there can be others one like software, keyboard and computer, software, keyboard, monitor and computer, right? You cannot complete the computer without monitor. You cannot complete the computer without keyboard. You cannot complete the computer without mouse. So these are all in, complements, right? So you need to think like that.
So like this is relating to the price of related good, isn't it?
No, yeah, it is a price of related good, but under complement.
Okay.
Okay, so back to our discussion. Okay, now let's talk about the market power of supply. So let's talk about first supply. Supply or law of supply means, now think of yourself as a supplier. So who creates supply? We talked about that. Producers, suppliers, right? They create supply. It means they are sellers. So what is the law of supply? It says that other things constant, other things equal, quantity supplied would increase with increase in price. So now think of yourself as a producer or supplier or seller. So when the price increases, would you sell more or would you sell less? Or to put this question in otherwise, you want to sell your good at higher price or lower price? Higher price, right? So this is a law of supply. Law of supply says that other things equal, right? If the price rises, seller or producer want to sell more. That's it. And why we said other things equal? Because the economics assume that people are rational. But still, if prices are decreasing, even then, if you are having, capturing the market, you want to drive out the competition, right? You are basically decreasing your prices and supplying more in order to, complete wipe out the, competition. In that case, like anti-dumping policies. In that case, it doesn't follow the law of supply, but still you want to supply more at lower price. In that case, this is not rationality. Remember, so that's why we have other subjects to define that. But economics assume that people are rational. People make rational decisions, rational choices. So that's why fashion and all those stuff, it doesn't explain by economics, right? So that's why other things equal, a producer or seller want to sell more goods if the price is higher. Simple. So law of supply says that if price is high, quantity supplied also high. And what is supply schedule? So supply schedule is a table which shows the relationship between price and quantity supplied. So recall our discussion from the demand stuff, even though we are not given this name, supplied, we have just price and quantity. So if I ask you whether this table belongs to supply or demand, just